Fusion Mobile, quality e-learning experience on the go.
Good day, you are welcome to Fusion Mobile e-learning class. My name is Bolaji. I'm here to speak on the subject mathematics, and the topic before us is the trigonometrical ratio, but we are considering derivation and application of cosine rule. Derivation and application of cosine rule. Earlier on, we discussed and we show more light on derivation and application of sine formula. But now it is derivation and application of cosine rule. How do we solve questions under cosine rule? How do we solve angles and sine under cosine rule? These are the questions we are going to answer. But before we answer it, we have to use a triangle to show how we can prove this formula. To prove cosine rule, we use an acute triangle. Use an acute triangle. An acute triangle ACB. This is an acute triangle. Look at the perpendicular here. It did not divide it equally. It shows that this angle here is less than 90 degrees. The angle here, ACD, is less than 90 degrees. It's an acute triangle. And that's what we are going to use to prove this cosine rule today. Now, I'd like us to see, let's CD. Look at here, our CD is here. Let's CD because our BC is A. Then for us to find our CD is going to be A minus X. Our CD is A minus X. Our BD is X. Our AB is small letter C. In triangle ABD, what is our AD? In triangle ABD, our AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. What is our AB? What is our CD? Our AB is small letter C. Our BD is X. Therefore, AD square is equal to C square minus, what is BD square? X square. This is equation 1. Now, in triangle ACD, our AD square also is equal to AC square minus CD square. What is our AC square? Our AC square is equal to B square minus, what is our CD square? Our CD square is A minus X all square. This gives back to equation 2. We now have AD square, which is equal to B square minus A minus X, you bracket is all square, which form equation 2. Because they are the same, AD square is equal to C square minus S square in equation 1. AD square is equal to B square minus bracket A minus X square in equation 2. Now, because they are equal, equate equation 1 and 2. Equate equation 1 and 2. Therefore, C square minus S square is equal to B square minus A minus X all square. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Let us continue from here. We now have C square minus S square equal to B square minus A minus X all square. We have to open this bracket. We expand it because it is A minus S square. By the time we open the bracket, the answer is B square minus A square plus 2AX minus A square plus 2AX then minus S square. b squared minus a squared plus 2ax minus s squared is equal to c squared minus s squared. Now we've expanded the bracket. The next thing we have to do is for us to collect the like terms. We have to collect the like terms to make 2ax the subject of the formula. We have to make 2ax the subject of the formula. And how do we do it? First of all, collect the like terms. When we collect the like terms, we have 2ax. 2ax is equal to 2ax. We want to make 2ax the subject of the formula. 2ax is equal to b squared minus s squared plus s squared, correct, plus a squared. 2ax is equal to b squared minus plus s squared, that is x, we cancel x here. We are now left with 2ax equal to minus b squared plus a squared minus b squared plus a squared. Now, we can now say 2ax is equal to a squared minus b squared. A squared minus b squared. So, 2ax is equal to a squared minus b squared plus c squared plus c squared. 2ax equal to a squared minus b squared plus c squared. It's very important because the c value is here, plus c squared. Let's continue from our proving. We now have 2ax equal to a squared plus c squared minus b squared. 2ax equal to a squared plus c squared minus b squared. Now, if we should consider triangle ABD. Consider triangle ABD. Our x here, consider this angle here, cos B is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Remember, the word ka means adjacent over hypotenuse. And what is our adjacent? What is our hypotenuse? When we consider ABD, our adjacent is x over, what is our hypotenuse? Our hypotenuse is small letter c. Make it in uniform. This one is over 1. Then cross multiply. Cross multiply. That is 1 times x is equal to c cos b. X is equal to c cos b. So far we found out our x is equal to c cos b, and we have 2ax here. Substitute x into 2ax equal to a squared plus c squared minus b squared. Therefore, we now have 2a, then this one times c cos b equal to a squared plus c squared minus b squared. Wow, this is the formula we have proven. Therefore, it is not over because we have to find the value of cos. We have to find the value of a squared. Therefore, we have a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus b2bc cos a. That is, we make a the subject of the formula, which is a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. A squared equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. That's how we can find our side of a in cosine rule. So also you can use b squared is equal to a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cos b. Also, c squared equal to b squared plus a squared minus 2ba or 2ab cos c. So that's how we can find our side. And it's very easy for us to find our angle because the side has been known in this type of triangle. We can also find our cos, that is the angle inside the triangle. And how do we find it? Let's go there. Then we now said cos A is equal to, what is our cos A? You just make cos A the subject of the formula. That is b squared plus c squared minus, b squared plus c squared over 2bc. That is b squared plus c squared over 2bc. That will give us the knowledge on how we can calculate our cos A minus a squared, because we are dealing with the side, with the angle of A. So it's going to be minus a squared, making cos A the subject of the formula. So also, when we deal with cos B, it's also equal to, look at the board very well so I can get the knowledge. What is our cos B? We find the side, it remains the angle. Using cosine rule. Now, cos B is equal to a squared plus c squared minus b squared over 2ac. Very simple. That's how we can calculate our angle of B. Now, let us calculate the angle in C, that is cos C. Cos C is equal to, I'd like you to just be patient and look at how we're going to calculate the angle of C. This is going to be a squared plus b squared minus c squared over 2ab. That is how we can calculate our angle. Therefore, the formula that we have proven under this cosine rule, we can solve as many sides as possible. We can solve the side for A, we can solve for the angle of A, we can solve for this angle of B, we can solve for the side of B, we can solve for the angle of C, and we can solve for the side of C. So the advantages of cosine rule is that both the sides and the angles can be calculated once. Once we found like the side of A or B and the side of C, it's very easy for us to find the side of A squared. Peradventure, they give us the angle of A. I'm confident that you understood this topic. I would like you to solve these few evaluations to see how you can prove cosine rule. Thank you. Wow! I am delighted because you can prove cosine rule. Now it is time for us to do application. That is application of cosine rule. We've derived the formula. This is the formula for finding cosine rule, size, and the angle. Now it is time for us to use number. It is time for us to now apply this formula. Find the angle, example 1. Find the angle of triangle. You can see, find the angle of triangle with the following dimension. A, first thing we have to just draw our triangle like this. Now they now said, find the angle of the triangle with the following dimension. Now you have to make sure that our triangle is A, B, C. Now, what is the angle A? What is the side A? Remember, I told you that once you have your angle, the opposite is the side. Once you have the angle of C, the opposite side is small letter C. B, we have small letter B as the side. Now, they now said small letter A is 12 meters. Small letter A is 12 meters. This is 12 meters. What is small letter B? Is 11 meters. And our small letter C is 9 meters. Wow. The side has been given. Can you see? We can just be applying our what? Our formula. Cos A, cos B, and cos C. Look at how effective this formula is, how easy for us to solve questions as possible. If they give you outside, you can solve your answer. Solution quickly. Solution quickly. Now, the question is find the angle. That's what they asked us. Find the angle in the triangle. How do we now find the angle now? Is that using cosine rules. Using cosine rules. Let us first solve for cos A because we don't know the angle. Let's denote it with Z. Let's Z degree here, Y degree here, X degree, so that we know that it is the angle we are looking for inside the triangle. Therefore, cos A, I'd like you to remember the formula. Cos A is B squared plus C squared minus A squared over 2BC. What is our A? Our cos A is equal to, what is our A? 12 squared plus, what is our, no, cos A is 12 squared. Good. What is our B? Our B is, A is 12 meter. B is what? 11 meter. C is equal to 9 meter. Let's substitute our value. Our B is 11 square plus what is our C? 9 square. What is our A? 12 square over 2 times, what is our B? 11 times, what is our C? 9. Now we proceed. Check your calculator. What is 11 square? 11 square, then 11 square is what? 121. 121 plus 9 square is what? 81 minus 12 square is 144 over 2 times 11 times 9. 2 times 11 times 9 will give us what? 198. Cos A is equal to this. That is 121 plus 81 minus 144 divided by 198. It will 58 over 198, which is cos A. What is 58 over 198? Divide 58 by 198 to give us 0.2929. Check your calculator. 0.2929, which is 0.2929. Therefore, we know that our cos A is 0.2929. But it is the angle they ask us to find. Now, I'd like you to use your calculator effectively. Just press second function, that is arc. That is, A is equal to arc. Then you now press cos. After which you press second function, then you press cos. That is cos arc over 1, 0.2929. 0.29, that is second function. It will now give you, check your calculator, 72 degree, 58 second. 72 degree, 58 second. 72 degree, 58 second. Now, how do we find cos B? The formula is rightly stated in cos B. Remember when we're finding the answer. What is cos B? Cos B is equal to A square plus C square minus B square over 2AC. Absolutely correct. Substitute your value. Cos B is equal to, what is our cos B? What is our A square? Our A is what? 11 square plus what is our C? Our C is 9 square. What is our B? Our B is, what is our A? Our A is 12 square. What is our C? Our C is 9 square. Then what is our A? Our A is, that's supposed to be A square plus 9 square. Then B is 11 square over 2 times, what is A? Our A is 12. And then what is C? Times 9. Cos B is equal to 144, 12 square plus 81 minus 121 over 2 times 12 times 9. Now 144, use your calculator, plus 81 minus 121 is going to give us 104 over 216. Cos B equal to 104 over 216. Now, divide 104 over 216 to give us 0.4815. 0.4815, which is 0.4815. Now, the same method that we used that time, I want you to use that method. Press second function and press cos. It will now give us cos arc. That is, cos B is equal to 0.4815. Then B is equal to cos arc 0.4815. And our B, check the calculator so as to find the degree of B. And the answer is supposed to give us 61 degree, 61 degree, 61 degree. Our A is 72 degree, and our B is 61 degree. 61 degree. Now, how do we find our angle of C? Remember, the total sum of angle in a triangle is 180 degree. So, therefore, we had A plus B degree plus C degree equal to 180 degree. Let us calculate for the angle C, which is very easy for us. We said angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. What is A? 72 degree plus what is B? 61 degree. Then we don't know C equal to 180 degree. Therefore, C 72 degree plus 61 degree, it will give us 133 degree plus C angle equal to 180 degree. Our C angle is equal to 180 degree minus 133 degree. 180 degree minus 133 degree. Check your calculator. This is 7. Here we have 7 here. This is going to be 4. C is going to be, C degree is 47 degree. Our C is 47 degree. Therefore, if X is designated with the degree in C is equal to 47 degree, this said for the angle of A, 72 degree, then for the angle of B is 61 degree. 61 degree. Now, for us to prove whether it is the angle is not up to 180 or not, I'd like us to prove if the angle is not equal to 180, then therefore the answer is not right. 72 degree plus 61 degree plus 47 degree. 72 degree plus 61 degree plus 47 degree. Here we have 2 plus 1, 3 plus 7, that's 0. 7 plus 6, 13 plus 4. 13 plus 4, that's 17 plus 1, 180 degree. So the answer is correct. I'd like you to see how we solve questions using cosine rule. And I'm confident that when you solve this evaluation to conclude this topic, I'm confident that you get the answer correctly. But if you still have any shady mind over using cosine rules and sine formula, I'd like you to rewind so as to see the difference, how we compute the answer. Thank you.